Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have a NASCAR Authentics from the 2020 Wave 6. We have Kyle Busch's Fudge Brownie M&M's car. Here's the back as well, and also there's his car as well. But also you can look for the M&M's Fudge Brownie chase piece for this wave. Let's get Kyle Busch out of his box. Here is the nice hood, Kyle Busch, and here is his purple M&M's car. So here it is. There's Miss Brown with a fudge brownie tray and an M&M that inside has a good fudge brownie inside. So here's Kyle Busch's car. It is basically like all his other M&M's cars, except this time it's fudge brownie, and you see there is a red M&M with the fudge inside. Now Kyle Busch's M&M's car is mostly yellow throughout his career, but for Mars M&M's, they like to do different M&M's. Like Crispy was green, Pretzel was blue, and so was Caramel. Hazelnut Spread, which is a light blue, and Peanut Butter, which is red, and a Chocolate Bar M&M's car. So basically, Kyle Busch has a lot of colorful M&M schemes throughout his career. And this is one of them for this year. Whenever there's a new M&M flavor, he will sponsor it. So here is the purple on the outside, an orange M&M, a yellow, with Miss Brown on this side, while the other side has a blue and green kind with red, with them holding a blue fudge M&M. On the back, it says Fudge Brownie, including on top of here as well. On top of his hood as well. He drove this car for a few times, and then he went back to his regular M&M scheme. M&M's paint scheme. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.